All right, no video today, but I do have my screenshots here. This is gonna be my first trade here on WETO. As you can see, it is a penny stock again, back at it. This was the top leading gainer on the day. Not part of the strategy, but nonetheless, I saw some opportunity and I took a shot. Worked out in my favor. The first arrow here, I have the blue one on the bottom. It broke VWAP, as you can see, and then it retested, dropped a little below, came back above, and volume moves coming in. MACD crossed over to positive. I hopped in at 10 cents. Yeah, got in 10 cents a share. Started squeezing up. I ended up taking half off the table. Had a pullback there on a 1 minute, like prime chart there. It's just a penny stock, but I had to pull back on the 1 minute and the second arrow there and squeezed up nicely. I ended up pulling almost 18 bucks of profit out. Sold on the way up. Yeah, solid trade. All right, this is going to be my second trade of the day. Second and third, actually. I pulled up this here. It started squeezing up, as you can see right before that first blue arrow there. Squeezed up, hit my scanner, and I waited for a 10-second pullback. Once it crossed there, I got in. It did go down a little bit in that within that 10-second candle. Price was fluctuating a lot, but nonetheless I got in and it dropped a bit. I ended up buying another 10 shares because volume was coming in. Actually now looking back at it, it wasn't coming in, but price did go up. It tapped VWAP in the 9 EMA there. Yeah, I had some conviction. I added another 10 shares. I ended up selling on the way up on the next red candle there. Not a terrible trade. Ended up pulling some profit out there. Yeah, I think my first sell half order is right at the top of that red doji there. 463. Yeah, so that's over 60 cents a share I got on that one. I think on average it was 62 cents, so not bad. And then as you can see, it kind of hovered there, kind of topped that level 3-4 times, and then on that, just before that second blue arrow on that red candle, I ended up feeling like it was gonna switch it up. I bought there and ended up getting stopped out. I didn't respect my 10-cent stop, but I ended up getting out. Like I said, it was fluctuating fast. I ended up losing 56 cents a share on that, but I didn't average it out. I cut my loss and got up out of there. Next trades here, first candle or first arrow. I waited for the 1 minute pullback. I saw it, kind of a little bit of a double top there. I waited for it to volume to come in. Volume came in, punched my order. I was late to it because I wanted to get in just at $5. Skipped over my order. I tried to get in at $5.20, skipped over my order again. As you can see, it went up almost $4 in that one solid green candle there. Missed the move. But I waited. I didn't get in. I didn't try getting in the next green candle there. Luckily, I stayed patient. Kind of formed an ABCD pattern, and I got in the next blue arrow there. Locked up 85 cents a share on average. Solid win. So on this one here, I got 2 good wins, 1 bad loss, and 2 missed entries. Solid day today. I didn't lose money in the market. I did stick close to my strategy. My win rate is 85%. If I stick to my strategy in my paper trading account, I think it's like 66% in my cash account. If I stick to my strategy, all I gotta do, that's literally all I gotta do. Well, another day, nice way to end the week. I'll be back Monday, ready to, just wait for my opportunity. I know I said it like 4 times already. Stick to the strategy. Yeah. The writing is on the wall or on my monitor. Yeah. Anyways, nice way to end the week. I'm gonna enjoy my weekend and be back to attack the market on Monday.